Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable speaker in your computer. Let's say you've connected an external monitor or you have connected a television to your computer and then you notice that the sound is no longer there. So what you need to do is hover your mouse to the status bar and right click the speaker sound. Alright, so when you right click this speaker sound, you're going to see the menu appear. Click on the sounds and then the sound dialog box comes out. Choose the playback and you can see here that the default speaker here is the monitor, because right now I connected a monitor to this, so the default speaker here is monitor, which is why my volume, there's no sound in my computer. So you right click, go to the where you see the speakers, which is this particular one, right click and set it as default device. All right, another way to have access to this, I'm just going to close this, is type in, go to the search button and go to control panel. So that's another way you can do that. Once you are the control panel, you go to where you have hardware and sound. Click on that hardware and sound, and that is the sound. Click on sound. Okay, again we are back to the dialog box. All right, that's the second way to do that. It's already the default in this one is the playback tab. All right, and you can notice here that my monitor is set as the default, which is why I'm having problem with the speaker. So I'll just go to this part and right click and enable it, set as default device. Then you should also disable the monitor, but however, if you don't disable it, it's still gonna play from your computer. So I'll just right click and click on that disable and click on OK. So I hope you found this video interesting. Please destroy that like button, share the video, and I will see you in my next video.